This video goes over the test drive in Lecture 4, Working with Layers in Painter. This is very elementary and it's very simple. It's similar to the Photoshop layers, if you've worked with Photoshop. I created a new layer here by clicking on the new layer icon. And I'm going to use the furry brush, make a quick little brush stroke. I'm going to call this layer left ear. To do that, I double click on the layer in the layers palette and it brings up the layer attributes box. That is where I can name my layer. And you'll see now it says left ear in the layers palette. Creating another layer, we're going to do the same process. Do another ear. Double click on the layer. Right ear. Okay. Now we were going to add the head. I've got it there. I can click on that first to bring up the layers attribute box and name the layer. Say OK. Let's change the color so you can see a little bit of a difference there. I make a little bit bigger area. That works. Now let's add some eyes. Again, let's put one on each layer. New layer. Left eye. Okay. Changing the brush to something that's going to show up. We're going to go into the pencils. And the 6B soft will look good. Let's go to a white so we can see what it looks like. Okay, that works. And now we're going to do another layer. We're going to say right eye. Double click. And if you want, there's even a section here for notes. So if you want to say you've changed your pencil or changed to a pencil brush, you can put that in there. Anything that's going to help you remember what you did is a perfect thing to put in there. Okay, let's make this eye. Oh, and we're going to add another nose. Make a black. Call this nose. And one more layer. I'll call this mouth. Okay. Just get. Let's make the brush a bit smaller. And those eyes kind of need a little bit more information in them. They look kind of blank. You see, I've changed to the layer adjuster tool. Now, I've named my layers, but I can also, if I click on that layer, you can see that's already switched over to the left eye automatically just by me clicking on the layer. I can go back to the brush tool, back to white, add a little bit more to that one. Let's switch colors here. A little pupil in there. Let's go to the other eye. We know it's the right eye. I'll just click on it. There we go. Now we've got all these pieces. I can move any one of them around. You can see we can hide the ear, put one lower. We can move the eyes, the nose. Let's line that mouth up. Nope, don't like that. Let's put it here, move the nose, but the nose really needs to be over the top of the mouth in here. So what we're going to do is stretch out this palette so you can see all the layers. I'm just going to drag the nose down, or rather the mouth down below the nose. And you can see how we've changed it. Let's move this ear. Okay, the left ear, let's put it over the top of the head. Move it, click, hold, and drag in your layers palette, and you can see that here it's moved up. Move the eyes. Just because I have up here in the property bar, auto select layer is turned on. So that means every time I click on a layer, it's going to select the proper layer in the layers palette. Okay? That's layers in Painter.